everybody, this is a MoPro coming at you once again, and we on here fixing of the car. Well, we have this Mazda Protege 5, and oh, let me cut that off. Hold on, I'm sorry. Anyways, we got this Mazda Protege 5, and it's been having this sputtering problem. Now, oh, I got all kind of stuff on my face. This is what happens when you get up early morning. So anxious to make you a YouTube video. Anyway, what happened is this car has this issue where it starts to sputter as you're driving the car. Now, my thing is I got to drive it around until it starts sputtering because I want you guys to see what I'm talking about, because I know a lot of people have this problem, and I want to make sure that this is the problem that you're getting. Now, I'm going to flip this around. Hold on, let me pull over. I'm going to flip this around so you can actually see my gauges, and you'll see that there's no check engine light on or anything. Hey, let's turn on the air conditioner. Maybe we can get a little issues from that. Maybe that'll make it start. Ooh, ice cold AC. Yeah, love it. Yeah. We're trying to figure it out. Put a little wear and tear on the motor. Yeah. Okay, I guess we're still not gonna do it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. The sun is. This how bad it's shaking. Look at the bag. That's what the car does right there. I'm glad you guys see it. Okay, so here's the motor. Basically what we done figured out that when you start getting arcing, and that's what it's doing. When you've seen the car doing the shaking and the gyrating, what it is these right here are starting to arc with inside. So that means the insulation that comes in them is either pretty much worn down, worn in, and they start to arc off the actual block themselves. So they start to misfire. So you should get a misfire if you're using a computer to hook up. So what we're going to do is we're going to change these coils today and see if that makes a difference. So let's get started. To make a quick, fast job, I picked this up at a Husky little tool set. I picked it up at, where's that place called? Of course, Home Depot. Picked it up at Home Depot. Figured we'd use this. Should come in handy. It's got all the quick, small size sockets that you need, which this, I think, is a 10 millimeter if no one has changed it on you. So you need a 10 millimeter socket, maybe a little extension so you can get up in there and get that done. So here we go. Okay, so let me give you a good idea on this socket, which is pretty much this little Husky kit like I told you I got from Home Depot. Pretty cool. Reason why is because for the smaller ones, they put this little extension piece on the back so you can connect to it. So now you have, of course, your regular drive, and then you have a smaller drive, which I think is really cool. Now, what they should have put in here, though, was an extension. You know something, matter of fact? I probably could have used this instead of using this, but I'd rather use a ratchet on something like this so you can loosen it. It's a lot better. Okay, there we go. It's nice and loose. Let's get in here. Okay, well, there we go, right there. Basically all you do, sorry about that. Basically what I did was we changed the coils. I did them so fast, I'm sorry I didn't even show you how to do it, but what I'm going to do is just break it down really quick. Of course, I already said you need a 10 millimeter and a small extension so you can get on here. When you do these, make sure you do one by one. So basically you take this off by squeezing it here and take it off. Take off your cable and unbolt it. Now, it goes inside where your spark plug is right here. So you're gonna pull it out, put in your new one, and of course you just bolt it back up, put the cable on, and put the connector on. And basically you do the same over here. Now, I'm gonna tell you this because some people I noticed had this problem too. If you put this on and it's too tight on the spark plug, leave it alone, don't worry about it. Add you a little bit of that white lube they have for the spark plug so they don't stick. And you just push it up in there and force it up on there, and I guarantee you it'll be fine, because that's pretty much what happened. Now let's get in the car and make sure the check engine light has turned off. Right, let's give this a try. Let's see if it made a difference. If it made a difference, this check engine light should turn off. Let's see here. All right. Well, it worked. So, once again, MoPro coming at you once again. Peace on fixing of the car.